Hello everyone, this is another wonderful day from Business Plus. So guys, I actually want to show you something beautiful again this time, okay? So this morning I took three different signals, all right? The first one is on crash 1000 index, second one is crash 900, and another one is crash 600, okay? So guys, let me show you the beautiful results. And this signal was actually picked from my very own customized indicator, okay? And in the next video I'm gonna show you exactly how some setup were working with customized indicator in a more complex and advanced way than what I've been showing you before. So guys, let's check into it. You can see we are having a spike down on crash 1000 index. You can see that this is a very beautiful result, okay? So the spike has not actually finished, all right? So we're still gonna have more spikes on crash 1000 index, and as you can see on the screen that we are having a trend which is actually going down from this point, okay? You can see it's going down, and the TP level will actually be at this level here, which is at exactly 21 USD, okay, with the lot size of one standard lot size on crash 1000 index. And what's actually happening on crash 1000 index is that the reef has actually reduced. They have toned down the profit and the loss on crash 1000 index, which means that it is not as highly volatile as it has ever been, okay? So this is exactly what's happening on crash 1000 index, all right? So how to use multi-strategy with your trade is very important, okay? So if you have a strategy, let's say you have gone through a mentor, all right, at least your mentor should be able to teach you multi-strategies, all right? Like, then combine everything together. That's exactly what I'm doing. I remember I was in a class with someone and that person said, oh, this is too much. The truth is that it's worth it, all right? This is money. This ain't a game. It's worth it. All the strategies worth it. Sorry, you might be hearing some other sounds. I am actually outdoor taking fresh air after when I've discovered that my three signals came in profit, all right? This is massive, as you can see here, guys. It's very massive, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that your mentor should actually show you different strategies. Don't stick to one. All right? And make sure that all the three strategies is working up. And if you want to place all your strategies on your screen, make sure that you are not having a lagging screen. Okay, so today three signals came in massive profit. So guys, to say a very big shout out to everyone who loved me, who loved my content, who have been giving me a very good comment, and at the same time who have been liking my videos. All right, so everything that I'll be doing here, it's based on sincerity, okay? So guys, this is a very massive result on crash 1000 index. So guys, let's go again to what we are having on crash 900, okay? Now you can see this is how beautiful crash 900 is. Now let me show you something here with the indicator. The indicator was actually showing a sell, all right, at this candlestick here, okay? The indicator was actually showing a sell at this level here, okay, which I go in for a sell, all right? I go in for a sell, and at the same time I had to consider that we are on downtrend and this is just a minor pullbacks. So this actually has hit the TP. Okay, I'm gonna show you in a screenshot of the signal where I dropped it in the VIP. Okay, I've done that immediately. I send the signal. I've done the screenshot, so I'm just gonna add it to this video so that you can see that all the signals were lovely. And what you're seeing below the screen, I think I've done a video for this. That's just the RSI and the stochastics. All right, you can see that the RSI is set as 3. All right, the 3, like I've said, is that it will detect your signal earlier on lower time frame. Okay, and make sure that you check it if it's not repainting. And actually, it's very rare when you see with the strategy that I taught you in the previous videos, that it is very, very rare for you to see RSI and also stochastics repainting. All right, they will rather hang when it's on overbought. They will rather hang above. All right, they will rather be going in this form. Let me show you. They will rather be going up like this for a while. All right, it's very, very common with RSI. And if it's on stochastics, when you go to lower time frame of M1, you're gonna see that it will go, when you zoom it out, it's gonna see that it will go below, all right, the oversold level. So this is exactly what has happened on crash 900 and also on boom 1000. And let me show you the last one, which is on crash 600. All right, this is what we have on crash 600, and you can see that the next stopping point, or let me say the TP1 level for crash 600 is just gonna be at this level, which with lot size of 0.8 should be giving us like $48. All right, but mind you, if there is a pullback, it's gonna pull you back to the next resistance level because you're selling. Okay, this is what I meant. Let me quickly show you for those who doesn't understand. All right, it's gonna just pull you back. Don't mind me, I'm standing while doing this video. Okay, so it's just gonna pull you back to the next resistance level, which might take your trade in loss, then again coming back in massive profit. This is very, very possible. Okay, and as long as you're working with spikes, it might, all right, just keep spiking down and down and down and giving you more profit. Okay, but it's very good. It's very good to take your profit. Then when you take your profit, if it goes down, no regret. And if it keeps going up after when you've taken your profit, you can just say, oh, thank God. That's just that on crash 600. Okay, so make sure that you're working with the perfect strategy when you're working with boom and crash. And sometimes the market might not be in your favor. Don't just give up. All right, don't give up. And before I go, I would like to say, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also you can follow the link to the TikTok. All right, I will post the link to the TikTok below, and also you can search for Business Plus FS Academy on TikTok, and also in the description below you're gonna see a link that would take you to the Telegram channel where I daily drop free signals. All right,